Hi, I'm Lisa Sanford, Executive Director of Business Development. I lead the clinical sales team here at Alta Sciences.
Lisa, as someone who has worked in business development within our industry for 15 years, you have firsthand insight into sponsors' experiences with CROs. So, what do you think are the biggest challenges they face when outsourcing early phase drug development?
So, the biggest challenges that I've experienced for sure, Amanda, is really timing all the moving parts that you have to coordinate in order to start your early phase study. I think the top rate limiting step is often manufacturing. I think IP delays are definitely the number one reason that a study may not start on time. So it's really important that you have early planning with your CDMO and your drug manufacturer to ensure that you can meet clinic dates. Also, any feedback that you might get from a regulatory agency. Sometimes, that's not expected, or they'll ask for further non-clinical data or for you to re-examine your non-clinical data. So sometimes that can be a hindrance as well.
And why do you think these challenges exist in the current outsourcing paradigm?
I think a lot of challenges are because you always want to go to the expert for each individual piece. And I think the more variables you introduce to a study, the more chance there is for error. And also there's more management for you to coordinate. So there's really a lot of positives for having, one partner really help to coordinate all of the necessary moving parts for you. And it just makes it easier, which is what we're all looking for.
And how is Alta Sciences reimagining this outsourcing paradigm?
Our vision for outsourcing is quite innovative in that not only do we want it to be easier for our clients, we want it to be simple and straightforward. Many CROs offer the various services that you need. What's unique about Alta Sciences is the way that they're integrated together. And our teams are consistently talking with each other. There's no need for you to repeat yourself from study to study or as the program transitions into later and later development. We have taken care of all of that for you internally. So again, you're reducing the burden of vendor management for yourself. You're basically having one point of contact. So we're dedicating a program manager to use to make it very simplistic. And we are proactively anticipating what your project needs next. So we're able to advise you that it might be time to develop, let's say, a bioanalytical method, or it might be time to think about the matched placebo that's going to be needed on a particular phase 1 study that you're going to do. So we lay out these critical milestones so that you can make your critical milestones.